In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a braided cord. We're going to start with a slip knot. And you want to start your cord by taking the tail end from the front, wrapping it round your hook, then yarning over, pulling through both loops. Now we're going to get our hook under the top loop here, tighten the second loop a little bit, yarn over and pull through both. And we're going to carry on exactly like that. And get your hook under the first top loop here. It's a little bit fiddly, so I like to pull my loop up, get my hook under the loop, pull this back tighter and yarn over and pull through both. Again, you can try to get your hook under there. I like to pull it up so I can see what I'm doing. Insert your hook under the top loop, tighten back up, yarn over and pull through. Pull your loop up, get under the top loop here, tighten the second loop back up, yarn over and pull through both. Under the top loop, tighten your loops, yarn over, pull through both. You want to take your time to make sure your loops on your hook aren't too tight or too loose. Just want them to sit on your hook nice and snug, but be able to move them easily up and down your hook. There we go. Takes a little bit of time to get used to this, but it's a really pretty cord, and once you get the hang of it, it is easy to do. So let's do a few more together. Pull up under the top loop, tighten back up, yarn over, pull through both. There we go.